Where is that? All right? Doesn't feel too tight. Feels good? Okay.
Stefan, you ready? Let's go follow her. She's gonna show you where all the airplanes are. What do you think?
Airplanes.
Airplanes?
Yeah.
How many airplanes are there?
Apple is not
Okay, come on.
this. Daddy, there's snowy.
That sound is a power drill. The mechanic is using it to remove screws from the airplane's wing.
Yeah, me.
Let's help him fix the airplane, Stefan.
Toyota.
Yeah, Stefan, a screwdriver tightens or loosens screws.
Big one.
Okay, we're gonna fix the airplane?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you gonna fix it?
Oh, check owl.
Oh, you're checking the oil?
Yeah.
Stefan.
Black.
Okay, now where are you gonna fix it? The manifold?
Good.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Look, what?
Thank you.
Fixed.
All done?
Good job fixing the airplane, Stefan.
Cheese. Thank you, Dad.
But first, let's learn about airplanes.
Is that a light for the airplane?
Yeah.
Is this gas to fill up the airplane?
Yeah.
Wow, that makes a really cool sound.
Is it full or empty?
Full. Oh, look.
What?
Yeah.
There's a light in there too? Engines in here, go look.
One in the right. Another one.
Two engines?
Another one.
Propellers?
Yeah. Then we go in this one. Oh. Oh, whoa. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mom.
Careful.
Gas.
It's gas.
Gas. Wi-Fi.
Airplanes, oh airplanes, just look into the sky. Airplanes, oh airplanes, how do they fly so high? They use their wings and rev their engines up and lift up above all the clouds all day and night. That's how they fly. The stars. Airplanes, oh airplanes, how do they get so far? They use their wings and rev their engines and lift up above all the clouds all day and night. That's how they fly.
Go fly, Dad.
You're gonna go fly now?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.